recording also. Good day, good evening, good afternoon, or good morning, based on your time zone. Friends, business partners, it's KG Mogwena. We are here for daily Zoom sessions. It's all about the opportunity overview. We are here simply because of this incredible digital asset, a robot, a bot that is trading the crypto markets for us. And we are here because we want to download serious money out of the crypto markets. And we do not want to do that manually. We are relying upon the strength and the capabilities of the artificial intelligence to make sure that we increase earning potential out of the crypto markets. So with that being highlighted, friends, welcome wherever you are. It's a great opportunity. Someone who has actually informed you of this opportunity. It's someone who would like to see you benefit from the cryptos. And with that being highlighted, take it very seriously because a lot with time is going to be achieved out of this. So do not take it lightly because what you can achieve with Royal Q, it's something that other people in a space of even a lifetime may not even come close to, because we see people make millions out of this particular digital asset or digital product, so to speak. And it is an asset to the one who understands what this is. So welcome to this great opportunity. I'll quickly be taking you through a few slides of this, and you will understand the power of quantitative trading strategy, where you get some dividends out of the digital asset as the markets move up and down. Amazing things will be done for you artificially, and for me that is incredible. And in terms of safety, when coming to your money or your cryptos, when with this particular platform or execution platform or this robot, it's so good because you do not send your money in the app. The robot does not keep your funds, meaning that your funds are safe in your exchange, whether it be Binance or Huobi Global. So Royal Q only performs the trading for you, and that is peace of mind, peace of mind, friends. When you have a platform that generates profits for you, and the same platform does not keep your money, it only performs trading for you, that should get you at ease because you know that your money is safe. And the manner in which the company does that is so good, and I'm going to show you in the next coming slides so that you understand that out of these algorithms that have been intelligently placed for you to see to it that throughout 24/7 the board is at work. It's on duty for you to make sure that the profits in whatever markets that you may find yourself, it does not trade just one crypto. It trades different crypto markets according to your trading balance or capital. You can trade as many as you desire. There are more than 70 cryptos within the Royal Q. So you can choose whichever that you want, and you have those in both Binance and Huobi. The robot is able to perform in both exchanges. So imagine you open both of the Binance and Huobi Global, and then you link your bot to both exchanges, and the same bot that you have subscribed for will be functioning for you on both exchanges simultaneously. And that is incredible. You do not need to subscribe again for a different exchange and so forth. No, the same robot is able to perform for you in both exchanges, and that is exciting, friends. Now, to operate the bot, it's very easy. Someone who has informed you of this opportunity will be assisting you, taking you through the guidelines according to whatever balance that you have. You know, in the exchange, you are able to take a trade from as little as $10 US. So with that being highlighted, it means the robot is able to execute from as little as $10 US, but do not be limited to the minimum required amount. There is no limit to how much you can put. If you have 1 million USDT, you can push it into your exchange, whether it be Binance or Huobi, and then the trading will be done for you after you have actually linked the APIs. Now, with that being highlighted, friends, everything that the robot does is in real time, meaning what the robot buys, you're going to see in your exchange immediately. And that is very exciting. And you don't need to worry whether the markets are moving up or down. The robot is designed in such a way that there are set parameters in place that will see to it whether the market is going up or is going down. It will always respond in a way that is going to be profitable for you. If the markets are falling, that is the bearish market, what will happen is the bot will increase the quantity of your crypto just like that. But if you are in a bullish market, the bot will simply keep on selling and going back into the market, selling and going back into the market, meaning buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high, throughout and through. You know, that is why we say 24/7. And for the whole year, the bot will be performing these great tasks of buying and selling for you. Friends, business partners, to come on board, it's not complicated at all. You get a link from the person who has shared this great opportunity with you. And after you've gotten the sponsors link, you will register for free. There are great benefits that come with you just being a free member of this great platform, meaning that you're going to learn a whole lot of things like API binding, that is application processing interface. There are people out there who charge, people for simply helping them bind, robots with exchanges, for instance. But now with this great platform, RoyalQ, that information, guidelines, tutorials, there are tutorial videos on the quantitative cost, and there's also step-by-step procedure that will show you how to do API binding, and that is incredible. So it's very technical, but yet you will learn that information for free. Now, to get the bot work for you, you will then be required to pay an amount of 120 USDT. Now, with 120 USDT, this particular robot is going to be functioning for you and then performing the trades in the safe space of your exchange. It will keep on working like that. And now, when you look at the 120 friends for the whole year, the robot working for you, it means you'll achieve a lot out of this platform. You're going to achieve a lot, and it's something that you should do with excitement, because the robot, as it performs trades for you, it's going to be generating profits. And there's a way in which you can see in terms of performance, the fee is 20%, and we're going to share more of that in the next slides. Friends, we do have the application that is an app, just like you do WhatsApp. You can access your WhatsApp via the web or also through the app. Now, with this opportunity, you can download your own app, whether you are on Android or you are on the iPhone. You will be able to download your own app and begin to utilize it like that. And you don't need to pay anything. You download that app for free. But please make sure that you follow the correct link when you do that. And to make sure that the website that you're downloading the app from is legit, make use of the referral link from your sponsor so that you download the correct application. This is how profits are shared. RoyalQ does not touch your trading balance. It does not touch your capital, so to speak. It only focuses on the profits that the product has actually produced for you as a subscriber. You will keep 80% of the profits, and then you will push 20% of the profits to the application or to the app of RoyalQ, meaning in the asset account, there is a deposit button there. You will get a TRC network USDT, that is the Tether account there, where you will always be sending what is required for gas fees. Your responsibility is to make sure that your gas fees do not fall below 2 USDT. Otherwise, the bot will stop functioning. And anytime when your USDT balance in your application, in your RoyalQ app, it's below 10 USDT, you will be receiving notifications that you have insufficient balance to prepare you so that you don't allow it to drop below 2 USDT. Now, in terms of the business side, remember, you have subscribed and the robot is trading for you in the markets and profits are generated like that. So what will be happening is this. The robot is working for you. But when you choose to now promote, which is optional, this great opportunity, inform people out there of what the bot is doing for you or what the bot is doing for those that have connected you to the business. What will happen is the company, Royal Q, will put a smile on your face, friends. When you become part of the referral program, that is VIP membership, what will happen is there are levels, which are 6 in total. We all begin at V1. To be on V1, you simply need to register and then pay your subscription. And once that 120 is paid, you will be active as a V1 member and you will be having your own referral link and the possibility to bind the link between your robot and the exchange. But before you pay for your subscription, a referral link is not available and the possibility to bind API is also not available. Meaning that once you have done this and you are V1 member, you are in a position whereby when you share your link and someone registers through your link, you will be earning $30, that is minimum, up to $70 as you move up the rank. And to be on V2, for you to earn $40 instead of $30. And not only that, in terms of the performance of the company in profit sharing, percentage, friends, is from 20% up to 60% of the profits. Remember, 20% that you push to Royal Q after you've gotten your profits in your exchange. What you always pay to Royal Q to make sure that the robot is functioning, that is gas fees, that is gas fuel that you are making available for the bot to be able to perform transactions. Now, when you do that, the company will be sharing with you who is building a team, you who is actually assisting partners perform their API bindings, make sure that they are registered on the exchanges and they perform necessary requirements to enable them link the bot with the exchange. And that is serious work. It requires someone who's really focused and committed to the business. And you will see that when you do that, the company shares part of the profits from 20% to 60% of what the bot is producing for them from the clients that they are trading for through the bot. And that is incredible. So you see, to be on V2, you simply need to have direct partners who are linked to you, meaning that sign up through your referral link, and then you must have 20 partners in total in your team. It means once you have 3, you just need to have 17 more so that the total is 20, and then you are on V2 and you'll be earning $40 whenever someone subscribes through your link. And when you're on V3, you'll be earning $50. It keeps on going up like that. Friends, this is an incredible business. Amazing things are happening as we speak. Just from the referral program, people are making serious money out of the crypto markets. And that is very exciting. You can see the table just shows you the conditions that need to be met for the ranking. And to be on V3, you need to have 3 partners who are directly linked to you. But in your entire team, you must have 3 who are on V2, like yourself, and your team as a whole must have 100 partners who have subscribed. Then you will be on V3. It's just as simple as that. You can see the biggest requirement is to make sure that there is an individual in your team who's always actually, 3 of them must always be growing like you are growing. So it means when you move to V2, help also, other partners to become V2 like you. And when you get 3 of them who are correctly positioned in your structure, you will be on V3. And it keeps on going like that. You can see to be on V6, total number of partners that must be linked to you, it's 20, but your entire team must have 1,500. And in this 1,500, have 3 partners who are on V2 also, on V5, because you have been on V5. And they must be correctly positioned in your structure, and you'll be moving up the rank like that. So I'm not going to bore you with the details, but all eyes are focusing on the global dividend, which is now at the moment it's 10%. It's a pity I don't have the updated slide yet. The company has now increased this to 10%. When the subscription was $100, they were just paying actually 5% for the global dividend. But now that subscription is 120, they also increased this particular bonus here. It has gone up to 10% now. So the certain amount of money as the team or business grows that is set aside to make sure that every month the leaders who are on V6, they will be sharing 10% of what the company is achieving globally. And we're speaking of serious money here. Friends, you start profiting now. There are no waiting periods at all. Money is safe in your exchange. This is a new generation trader. We are relying on artificial intelligence, on the robots, on the board to perform the trading for us. It's just as simple as that. Thank you so much for your time. You can see in less than 20 minutes, we are done with the presentation. This is simply a robot that is trading for you. It is trading crypto markets. It's just as simple as that. The question is, do you see where the future is going or where the future is? And how about you position yourself now and begin to grasp some profits out of crypto markets in a safe space whereby you do not need to send your money to a company, but your money remains in your exchange, which is an equivalent of a bank account, so to speak. You are the one who's got access to making withdrawals there. You don't need permission from Royal Q for you to withdraw from your own exchange. And you see the profits that the robot is generating for you. So thank you so much for your time. Let's hear from other great leaders that are present in here. You are here for the first time. Please, we are available. You are free to ask questions and we will assist you accordingly. And thank you so much for paying attention and the desire to also grow in this business. It can only get better. So thank you, and let's hear from other partners. It's 20 minutes past 19 hours, CA2, and I'm happy we are done with the session. Thank you.
It's always great, my leader, to have you and doing the presentation for this grateful business that we have exposed ourselves to, and we are loving it so much. Greetings, everyone. Greetings to our prospects. It is exciting indeed, and thank you very much for the presentation. It was simple and clear, and as you say, it's enough. 20 minutes is done, because it is not a complicated business. It's a very straightforward business, so we don't have to complicate it, really. You know, novice, someone who's experienced and whatever can actually just run this business with their eyes closed. So thank you so much. We're going to look and see if we got any questions. If not, we can wrap around the session, because we'll be meeting again tomorrow, as usual, same time at 7 p.m. CAT time. I'm just looking to see if we have any hands for questions. Otherwise, we'll be ready to wrap the sessions and we can have the questions after with the members online.
Yes, it seems like we do not have questions. I'm looking on the charts. There are no questions, leadership, and we can wrap up and then stop the streaming live on Facebook and stop the recording here. And then okay. That's it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Leader Chosby, for assuring that everything is clear and well explained. It is indeed, it's a lovely business to be really in. And as we move towards the year end, you need to be positioning yourself by now, knowing exactly what will happen, you know, with your finances and your planning and all that. Because if you don't plan now, then 2022, you'll come with a surprise and you'll be shocked. So we're going to take our powerful slogan to wrap up our business. We can engage after. Real Q.
Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the future.
Welcome
to the future.
Yes, thank you very much. We'll meet again tomorrow, prospects and leaders. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, leadership.
Thank you.